Hello. Do you know life on a farm? This is the story of Tom. Tom lives on a farm. The farm is big. There are animals and trees. There's a small house. Tom wakes up early. He wakes up at 6 in the morning. The sun is coming up. The sky is orange and blue. Tom gets out of bed. He washes his face. He puts on his clothes. He puts on his boots. Tom goes outside. The air is fresh. He takes a deep breath. "Good morning," he says. Tom walks to the barn. He sees the cows. The cows are hungry. Tom gives food to the cows. "Here you go," he says. The cows eat slowly. Tom smiles. Next, Tom goes to the chickens. The chickens are making noise. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Tom laughs. He gives food to the chickens. Then he looks for eggs. He finds many eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. "Very good," Tom says. He puts the eggs in a basket. Tom walks to the field. The field is green. There are many plants. Tom works in the field. He waters the plants. He checks the soil. The sun is higher now. It is getting hot. Tom drinks water. He sits for a moment. "This is hard work," he says, "but I like it." At noon, Tom goes back home. He is hungry. He eats lunch. He eats bread, cheese, and vegetables. He drinks milk. After lunch, Tom rests. He sits in a chair. He closes his eyes. The farm is quiet. In the afternoon, Tom works again. He fixes a fence. He cleans the barn. He feeds the animals again. The animals are calm. The cows are quiet. The chickens are slow. The sun is going down. The sky is orange again. Tom looks at the sky. "It is a beautiful day," he says. Tom goes back to the house. He takes off his boots. He washes his hands. He eats dinner. After dinner, Tom sits outside. He watches the stars. The night is quiet. Tom feels happy. "I love my life," he says. Life on the farm is simple. Life on the farm is calm. Life on a farm is good. Do you like life on a farm? Yes or no? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to One Easy English Story and learn English every day.